How to do Facebook retargeting for car salesmen. Check it out. Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Corey. So a lot of you salesmen have probably heard of this phrase retargeting, or you might have heard people say remarketing, all right? In this video, I'm gonna be going over what the heck is Facebook remarketing or retargeting, why you should be doing it, and how to do it. And when we get to the how, I'm gonna take you into my computer and I'll show you exactly how to set it up step by step. This one is a bit more on the advanced side of things when it comes to setting up a Facebook ad, but I'm gonna try to make it as simple as possible. That way you can digest it and actually understand what's the purpose of it, right? So what is Facebook remarketing or retargeting, all right? So basically, what Facebook retargeting is that you're going to be setting up an advertising campaign on Facebook. To retarget is basically the people that showed interest in your ad or whatever it is that you're offering over a period of time, right? So you might be able to go back 365 days, 30 days, 90 days, whatever you choose, right? And the purpose of it is for you to come at them with a stronger offer, right? So let's say somebody's seen your ad, you might have just said, you know, if you're looking for a car, shoot me a DM or something like that, right? Let's say that was your ad. Well, the purpose of a retargeting ad is to say, okay, let's say that person seen that video, they watch, you know, over 50% of it, or they might have shoot you a follow, they might have liked the post or whatever. The retargeting campaign is going to come at them with a stronger offer. It's going to be like, I'm gonna send you over this coupon to get $1,000 off any inventory of your liking, right? And then what they're going to do is you retarget those people, you hit them with that offer, and then now that you come at them with a stronger offer, they're more likely to go ahead and do business with you now, right? Because they showed interest at first, they just needed a little bit of a push to make the decision. You came at them with a stronger offer, gave them that push, and now they become a buyer. All right, so why should you be doing Facebook remarketing or retargeting as a car salesman? Well, if you're running ads, which obviously, you know, I got videos on this page showing you how to set up a Facebook ad, how to set up Instagram ads. I teach all my students as well in the program that I have as to how to set everything up. So if you're running advertisement on Facebook or Instagram, if you're not running retargeting, you're missing out on boosting your sales X amount, right? Because if you're just running a regular cold traffic type of a campaign, you're missing out on hitting the people that actually showed interest in what you have to offer, on retargeting them, hitting them up with a better offer to eventually get them to convert. So if you're not doing retargeting campaigns as a car salesman and you're running advertisement, you're missing out on a bunch of sales that you could be making if you were to be running it. Hey guys, so a lot of you may be interested in figuring out how you can sell more cars or just make more money in general. Listen, DM me the word sold on Instagram at Real Corey Brunette. Once again, DM me the word sold on Instagram at Real Corey Brunette. I'm looking forward to helping you out, see if I can share some nuggets with you. More importantly, looking forward to meeting you. Let's get back to the video. So now that you understand what Facebook retargeting is and why you should be doing it, I'm gonna take you into the how. We're gonna go into my computer and I'm gonna show you how to set it up step by step. Let's do it. All right, so now we're in my computer. First thing you're gonna wanna do is open up Facebook. You're gonna wanna check out the left side of this dashboard over here, right? And then you wanna click Facebook Ads Manager. When you click the Ads Manager, it's going to open up this tab over here. If you look at the options that they have selected on the left side again, you're going to want to click Audiences. All right, what we're going to do is we're going to create a custom audience. So you're going to see it says create a custom audience, create a lookalike, create a saved audience, right? We're going to want to click create a custom audience because what we're doing, this is where we're going to set up the retargeting audience. When you choose this option, you're going to see it says your sources, which is like if you had your own website, if you had your own email list or whatever, and then you're gonna see meta sources. In this case, we're gonna only operate with the meta sources, right? So me primarily, I like to run a lot of ads through Instagram. First things first, you're gonna wanna have an ad set up to where you're getting leads generated, right? So I have videos on this channel showing you, how to set up an Instagram ad, how to set up a Facebook ad. But in this case, I'm gonna click Instagram account. So I'm gonna click Corey King Automotive. Now, this is the Instagram page that's connected to this Facebook ad account, right? Which is this page over here. So this is my car page. Now, if you notice, I was running this ad around last month, right? I was running it for probably about 20 days or so. And it got a bunch of engagement, 804 likes, a bunch of comments of people saying I look like the guy from Snowfall, Franklin from Snowfall, which I find pretty funny. But 805 likes, 123 comments. So I was running a boosted ad for this video. I'm just gonna wanna let you hear it really quick.
Car guy, listen, if you're currently employed or self-employed and get pay stubs or bank statements and need a car, DM me right now. We work with good credit, bad credit, no credit, it doesn't matter. Remember, as low as $500 to $1,000 down can get you in a car and get up to 90 days before you make your first payment. So if you're interested, DM me and I'll take care of the rest.
Right, so that's the ad that I was running. In the last 30 days, my Instagram account has reached more than 37,800 accounts, right? So 37,800 accounts have seen this Instagram profile, right? So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna wanna set up a retargeting campaign to basically retarget all the people that actually had interest in this ad that I was running or just my content in general, right? So let's get back over here. We're gonna click the source. We're gonna click the Instagram account. Events, you're gonna wanna select everyone who engaged with this professional account. Engagers, meaning people who took an action on this post or ad, such as liked it, commented on it, saved it, shared it, all that good stuff, right? So you're gonna wanna click that option. You're gonna save it to 365 days. So it's basically gonna get all the people who engaged with your Instagram account in the last 365 days, and we're gonna retarget them, right? So the name of it, I just call it IG Engagers 365 days. That's the first custom audience we're gonna create. You're gonna create it, save it, and then you're gonna create another one. So create another custom audience. Now we're gonna retarget all the people who followed this account in the last 365 days. So all the people who followed my Instagram account in the last 365 days, we're gonna create a custom audience for those people as well. So create who started following this professional account, audience name, followers, 365. I'm not even sure if it's gonna be 365 days because it doesn't give me that option, but I'm gonna just leave it alone. Create that audience. And then we're gonna create another custom audience, right? And now I'm gonna select all the people who viewed this video up to 50%. So think about it, right? All the people who followed obviously have interest in what I have to say. All the people who liked, comments, shared, did some form of engagement on my video also have some interest as well, right? But now I'm gonna retarget all the people who also watched up to 50% of the video. So think about it. If I have a video that's a minute long and somebody watched all the way to 30 seconds or more, it's pretty clear that they have interest in what I have to say. Because if I'm scrolling on social media and come across some type of advertisement and I don't have interest in it, it's not getting more than 2 seconds of my time. So if somebody is willing to watch up to 50% of that video or more, it's pretty clear that they have some type of interest in whatever it is that you're offering. So we're gonna select video now, I'm gonna click next, and then we're gonna select the option that says people who have watched 50% of your video or more, basically, right? So retention 365 days, and then it's gonna ask you to choose the video. The video sources, I'm gonna take this from my Instagram account. I'm gonna click Corey King Automotive again, and then I'm gonna select that same video that I showed you on my Instagram page. It was created November 11th. If you look over here, I posted this video November 11th. So we're gonna select that video, click confirm. Then we're gonna call this 50% watchers 365 days. And then we're gonna create that audience. So now we got 3 audiences that we just created, right? We got the people who watch 50% of that video or more. And by the way, you can select more than just one video. I only selected this one video because I'm only running one ad at the moment. But 50% viewers, followers, and then also IG engagers. So now we got 3 audiences basically created, right? So now we're gonna come back over here and we're gonna select campaigns. We're gonna go ahead and create a new campaign. The easiest one to choose by far is engagement. All right, because engagement, you can just basically set it up to where you're getting straight DMs, right? DMs are easy to manage. You don't need a website for that. It's all done on the Facebook or Instagram app, whatever one you choose. I'm gonna walk you through it right now. So then we're gonna click manual engagement campaign. All right, so you can name this retargeting, or you can just call it retargeting IG 365 days. You're gonna scroll down, you're gonna click the category. You always wanna select credit, because if you're running an advertisement like mine, where I'm saying good credit, bad credit, no credit, whatever, you always wanna select credit, because if you don't, Facebook is not even gonna approve your ad. Don't even waste your time, right? We're gonna scroll down, then we're gonna click next. We're gonna select the messaging apps option. It's already pre-selected for you, so just leave it alone. Over here, we're gonna name the ad set. I call it retargeting engagers, followers, 50% viewers. We're gonna name it that. Scroll down, leave it at click the message, Facebook page. In this case, I only want this ad to be shown on Instagram. I'm retargeting the people that were on my Instagram account, right? So I don't want to retarget people that are on Facebook. Let's just leave it at Instagram. So I'm gonna unselect this option and just leave it on Instagram. If you were running an ad on Facebook and not Instagram, then you would go ahead and set up your retargeting audience to get the people that have visited your Facebook profile and not your Instagram, right? In this case, this is primarily for Instagram, so we're gonna leave the Instagram option selected. We're gonna scroll down, performance goal, leave it at maximize number of conversations. This is where you set your daily ad budget. I'm gonna just leave it here at $20 just for the sake of the video. Unselect this. Now, this is where you're gonna basically find the audiences that we just created earlier, right? So if you click it, now you'll see the 50% watchers, 365. This is the audience that we just created a few minutes ago. You're gonna just stack all these audiences on top of each other. Now, this is where you're gonna put your location after you select your audience. You're just gonna basically unselect United States. You're gonna type in your dealership's address, and then you're gonna put a 20 to 25 mile radius around that address. I kind of went more into detail in the video that I created on how to set up a Facebook ad for car salesmen, but you're gonna type up your dealership's address here. here, and then you're gonna put the radius. If you can't find your dealership address, you're basically just gonna put all the cities in which customers normally come from to buy a vehicle from your dealership, right? So you're gonna do that, scroll down, you're gonna leave the detailed targeting empty. Languages, I work with some people that primarily wanna do Spanish campaigns. There's a big Latino community out there that are always, shopping for vehicles. So I work with some people that only wanna advertise in Spanish. So if your ad is in Spanish, you're just gonna come here and put Spanish, but obviously this video that I created over here is in English, right? So we're gonna just put English all option. Scroll down here, we're gonna edit the advantage placements. We don't want that. I want manual placements because I only want to run this ad on like 3 spots basically, right? Which is the Instagram feeds, right? So Instagram feed, Instagram profile feed. You're gonna unselect this, explore, unselect that. And then you're gonna leave it to stories and reels. So all the Instagram stories and Instagram reels. You're gonna unselect this as well. In-stream ads for videos and reels, unselect that. We only want it on Instagram stories, Instagram reels, and the Instagram feed. And then we're gonna scroll down and then we're gonna click next. Now this is where you're gonna name your ad, right? So you're gonna want to have an ad already pre-made, right? Which is like, I would say make a video. Like I said in the intro, you're gonna want to have a video or an offer coming at them with a more stronger offer for them to actually go through, contact you this time, right? So let's say you were running a first video, whereas like if you're in the market for a car, shoot me a DM, right? That's not a strong enough offer, right? Because you're only targeting cold people. But that's the purpose of setting up the retargeting campaign. Because remember, we're retargeting all the people who actually showed some type of interest in that video. So we're gonna retarget the people that like, comment, share, followed, and then watch 50% of that video or more. So now you're going to want to come at them with a stronger offer. So this video that you're going to create now is going to probably be something like, if you're still in the market for a car, shoot me a DM. I'm going to be giving you a coupon so we can get $1,000 off any inventory of your liking. That's just an example, right? So you come at them with an offer like that, which is much stronger than just, if you're in the market for a car, shoot me a DM. Now you come out with that second offer, like, I'm gonna send you a $1,000 discount coupon. Now that's gonna entice them to actually reach out to you and contact you now if they still are in the market. So you're gonna wanna have that video pre-made and basically ready to upload. So we'll give that ad a name and we'll just call it $1,000 discount coupon ad. Call it that. Then we're gonna add media. You're gonna basically just find the video, add it. Primary text, this is where you're gonna put your description. Like I said, I went over that in the video I made on how to boost the Instagram post or how to set up a Facebook ad. You're just basically putting out the description, right? Call to action, you're gonna leave it to send a message. And then it's gonna have this option over here pre-selected for you where it's basically sending them a greeting message when they see your ad, right? So I just like to keep one question that they can respond after I send them my greeting message. So in this message, the greeting message, you can just put, hey, their first name, are you in the market for a car? You can do whatever you want here. I'm just giving you an example, right? So they're gonna automatically be able to respond, I'm interested, can you tell me more? And then you can set up an automated response. Whether you want one or not is up to you. So after they say, I'm interested, can you tell me more? You'd be like, sure, what type of vehicles did you have in mind? Boom. So now when they see your ad, they can automatically send you this message, I'm interested, can you tell me more? And then you're gonna have an automated response that says, sure, what type of vehicles did you have in mind? It's optional, you don't have to do it. You're gonna save the template, save it. I'm not gonna save it in this case because I'm just making an example. Once you're done with that, because we're not running this through a website, everything is basically being done on Instagram and Facebook. We're gonna unselect the website option. We don't need a Facebook pixel. Everything's done on Instagram and Facebook, so it's gonna be done through the DMs. So we don't need to select that option. But after that, you basically have the ad ready to go. You got your retargeting audience set up. You're just gonna click publish and then let the ad go live. This is gonna help you, like I said, get all those people that were interested, but they just needed more of a push in order to contact you so you can make that sell. If you do this correctly, your sales will go up, you'll get better results. You'll ultimately just crush it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Watch it again if you think you missed anything. That way you make sure you set it up the right way and actually not make any mistakes. But leave a like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you want to see next, and I'll see you all in the next one. I'm glad you made it to the end of the video. I got 2 options for you. You can either watch the next video or you can DM me the word sold on Instagram at @RealCoreyBurnett. If you're ready to take your car sales career to the next level, I'm looking forward to helping you out. More importantly, looking forward to meeting you. I'll catch you all in the next one. Have a blessed day.